Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Keys TV. I am so excited because finally I got my Temu order came in the mail, and they just put it all in one big old ball and just wrap it up. When we ordered this, July 27th, I think, and today is August 7th, so it took a little under 2 weeks to come, but I'm excited. It was supposed to get here by the 8th, and they said if you don't get your package by the delivery date, you will get a $5 credit. They lucky you had 24 hours, Temu. Anyways, I got two babies here on the side. Yes, they got something in this package, and they want it, so mama's got to open it up and give it to them so they could gig it out. Gig it out. Out my face. It feels a little hard. I don't know what that is. I don't remember what I got, but I know I got like 10 items. It just came and I was in the bed finna get ready to take a nap. But I hopped out of bed and I was like, yeah. When they brought me the package, Christmas time is here. Hold on, I don't want to cut nothing by accident. Calm down.
You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow, because opportunity comes once in a lifetime. Yo.
Oh, I got no. Oh, that was that. I got this for Ariana. This is like a little ice thingy for the face. You put water in here, freeze it and whatnot. So that is for her. It's so cute. It's light pink and dark pink. It's pretty huge too. Oh, I forgot about that. Oh, I forgot I ordered this. Me and Amaya both got blue light glasses. Ouch. I ordered a different color than hers. Oh, here. Don't hurt yourself. I got mine. Hold on, I got a sticker on mine and I don't want to put those on. These are Maya's. These are her blue light glasses from Temu, the one and only. These are mine. I got the one with the black, so it kind of fades like ombre. That's what I'm telling you, girl. Here we go. I'm tired of looking at my phone and then my eyes be hurting. We can't be all into the phone all night and then just jacking up our eyes and then having these migraines.
It doesn't wink anymore.
You're welcome.
Yes,
I'm so big on rings. These rings was looking so pretty on Temu. If you want to fake it till you make it, baby. And it's actually blinking when it turns. Ooh, look at that. They gonna think I'm a baller. They gonna be like, ooh, let me upgrade you.
Temu's a really good website.
This is a pretty ring. Look at that ring. Wow, and it's sparkly, just how I like it. Diamonds is a girl's best friend. I give this ring a 10 out of 10 for real. They gonna think I'm rich. Don't mind the ashy knuckles. I should have put some lotion on. Look at how sparkly it is. And it's kind of heavy though. Next, we got a charm bracelet. This is my first charm bracelet. I'm excited for this one. I ain't been to Pandora yet. And if my fiance is watching this video, yeah. Everybody go get y'all one of these. It's a chicken salad. This is pretty.
Is it flexible?
Oh, look at this. One of y'all want to figure that out while I get to the next thing. I'm using my phone to record this unboxing. I love phone cases and jewelry and just things that make me smile. My smile is pretty. I got this phone case because my husband is my king and I'm his queen, right? For my 14 Pro Max, what that sign say? Because in case they think that I'm a cheap bum. 14 Pro Max. It says queen. Feels nice and thick. Silicone. I can't wait to put this on my phone. Thank you. I'm gonna wear this for the rest of the video. That's cute.
Temu, you do your thing.
Temu is popping. My last name is Love. We got 2 little hearts right here. Oh, 3 little hearts. That's a heart too. I'm loving this quality. I would definitely give this one a 10 out of 10 as well. And it's definitely giving Pandora. Next package for my Crocs. I don't got no pair of Crocs in this basket, but I can like pop these in real quick. Oh, dang. They kind of like fading already. See what I'm talking about? If you can see on the side, they kind of fade. And so this is the only thing that I would have to give a lower rating. You get 2 sets of each one. So it came with the lips with the lipstick. I got 2 of these that says love. It came with 2 chains. 2 chains! And they so pretty. It feels really light, like a bubblegum ring material. So I would have to rate this a 5 out of 10. I know I'm not the only one when I wash my face in the morning. You splash water on your face and then water just go dripping down your whole entire arm. I know I'm not the only one. So I got these little cute cuffs in purple. You just put them on your wrist. So when you wash your face, all the water will drip to the little wrist thing. And then you can wash your face without water being all over your sink, all over you, the counter. So I got these. I didn't think that this was this huge. For all the ice lovers, I go every single day to the gas station to get me a cup of ice water. I don't really chew it like that. This is also on TikTok. It's like a viral little ice thing. Fill this one up with water and then you place this inside. And when it freezes, you take this part back out and you just squeeze it. And then all these little bubbles will fall into the cup and then you can just eat your ice pieces out of here. So I'm really excited to try it. I didn't think it was this huge, but you see how deep that is? That is huge. So we can have some fun. So next we got this little bag. I don't know what brand it is. I think it's pronounced Vivian. V-I-V-I-Z-H-E-N, Vivian. The Z must be silent. This camera is picking up good quality. You see this camera? I ain't even gotta put my hand behind it. This is my bag that I got right now. It's the same exact style. So I went ahead and got this one. And this is what the back strap looked like. It's cute and chunky. City and Life New Fashion cushion bag. Kind of feels the same, to be honest. Oh, we got a little problem there. Look at the zipper. I don't really keep too much stuff with me anyway in my bag besides my cell phone, a little wallet, lip gloss, and maybe some receipts, to be honest. This is what it looks like in the inside. Let me see. Oh, can I turn around without bumping this camera? I'm finna order so much shit. It'll only make sense that I'm showing you guys these shoes. Tell me what y'all think about the shirt in the comments. Rate it 1 out of 10. It got ha 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 written all over the mask. Little bloody mask, you know, don't play with me. It says warning because I will you up. Crazy little teddy weddy, you know? And then I had these retro 4s on with it today. The shirt that I'm about to show you guys, it got the same shoe on here. Ooh, and this shirt is some good quality. I gotta model it. So this is a shirt. He's holding the retro 4. It's cute. It's kind of loose and it's an extra large. See how loose it is? Y'all tripping. No. I don't like my shirts oversized. I like them to fit my body. It's a tiny bit see-through. Okay, so we got one more item after this. I thought this shirt was the last thing, so that's why I was showing the 2 shirts last, but it's not. I'm big on teddy bear t-shirts because I'm wearing one. I got one here, I got one there.
Oh, I got a pink hoodie with a teddy bear, I got a purple shirt with a teddy bear, and I got another shirt.
Really? You just like your mama. Aww. I got some Jordans that I'm gonna get. Retro 8s that match. I forgot I do got another pair of Jordans up here. You know your girls stay with the J's. Is it given? It's still this pink though that's not given. See, it's so hard to find whatever can match this pink, but the other one is given for this one. I got this little nose ring. I pierced my own nose when I was 16 and I don't feel like piercing my nose again. And I don't know if I even like this kind of little hoop ring, but this is how tiny it is. Had to give you a career to destroy it. Lethal injection, go to sleep. So this is what it's looking like. I don't know how I would see myself with a nose piercing. My nose was pierced on this side when I was 16. Right side is my cute side because when I take pictures, I feel like.
All right, let's end the video, guys.
Okay, wait, no, because I gotta get my croc. Look it. It's so cute. Okay, yeah, these is given, and I think it works well with the red and the gold. That is going to be it. No, stop. That's gonna be it for this Temu unpackaging, unboxing, however you want to call it. I had a lot of fun because I forgot what I ordered because it's almost been like 2 weeks since I even purchased this stuff. But if y'all only knew how much stuff I got in my cart, and it's really for clothes. Like I'm really excited to get their clothes because they got so much cute outfits, so much cute shoes, so much cute jewelry, so much cute everything. Let me know what you think of these products that I got from Temu and rate them in the comment down below. Be on the lookout for my next YouTube video because it's gonna be another Temu haul. I'm doing this for all the girlies because you know, everybody don't like to order from places that they think might be a ripoff. I'm the girl to try it. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one.
Peace.
Peace.